Most common electronic devices. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel Language Basket. Today in this video we are going to learn the names of most common electronic devices you can find around you. Monitor, mouse, MP3 player, printer, projector, scanner, laptop, photostat machine or Xerox machine, Bluetooth speaker, plotter, external hard drive, fax machine, lamination machine, voice recorder, mic, bread maker, sandwich maker, electronic pressure cooker, blender mixer grinder, rice cooker, oven, microwave, oil-free fryer, coffee maker, dishwasher, electric grill, kettle, electric stove, toaster, kitchen scale, washing machine, clothes dryer, earphones, DVD player, radio, lamp, refrigerator, mosquito racket, remote control, robotic vacuum cleaner, air conditioner, air purifier, water purifier or RO, clock, calculator, toy cars, curling iron, digital camera, doorbell camera, electric guitar, exhaust fan, electric razor, drill, fish tank, floor lamp, piano, reading lamp or table lamp. That's all for the video. If you really like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Language Basket. Thank you for watching.